Hi friends, welcome for our fourth video. So before entering into the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, thanks for the contributions and cooperations for subscribing our channel, for liking our channel. Please do follow the channel and share the links. So let us enter into the fourth class. Today is interesting class. We are going to see how to navigate a heading level and how to test a heading levels in the point of a tester. So first we see how to navigate the heading level one by one. So I'm going to opening a tagged PDF now.
Zoom row 1 column downloads heading levels original 2 of 6. Type edit Adobe Acrobat heading levels original 2. Heading levels original. Heading level 1 page 1 unit 1 great people of it. Heading level 1 unit 1 great people of India.
So it is already in the heading level 1 page number 1. So as usual we have to check the number of pages by pressing Control End because it is in the entire document page setup reading. So Control End is enough. I'm not going to hold Control Alt. I'm giving Control End key to check the to go to the bottom of the document.
Heading level 1 page 3-1.
So only 3 number of pages are there. I'm going to the top of the document by pressing Control Home.
Heading level 1 page 1 unit 1 great people of India.
So unit 1 great people of 1 is in the heading level 1. So for checking, for navigating through heading levels one by one, in the class 3 itself, we have told that we have to use the shortcut or a key command of H to go to the next heading levels one by one. I'm going to give H.
Life history of the great people heading level 2.
So this is H2, that is heading level 2. I'm going to press H again.
Mahatma Gandhi heading level 3.
So Mahatma Gandhi heading level 3. I'm going to give H again.
Achievements of Mahatma Gandhi heading level 4.
So this is heading level 4 and H again.
Salt Satyagraha heading level 5.
And H again.
Page 2 success of Salt Satyagraha heading level 6.
Success. H again.
Failures in Mahatma Gandhi's life heading level 4.
So Mahatma Gandhi's failures in life heading level 4. I'm going to give H again.
Dr. P. J. Abdul Kalam heading level 3.
So about Dr. Abdul Kalam heading level 3. I'm going to press H again.
Achievements of Dr. P. J. Abdul Kalam heading level 4.
Again H.
Page 3 Sachin Tendulkar heading level 3.
Again I'm going to press H.
Failures of Sachin Tendulkar heading level 4.
So I'm going to press H again.
Thanks and acknowledgements for the authors and the people contributed to make this unit a useful one heading level 1.
So I'm going to press H again.
No next heading.
So no next heading. So up to this only heading levels are there. So I'm going to the top of the document. So before that, if you want to see the previous heading level means we have to press Shift H.
Failures of Sachin Tendulkar heading level 4.
So it will go to the next previous heading levels. So I'm going to press Shift H again. Please listen carefully.
Sachin Tendulkar heading level 3.
So I'm going to press Shift H again.
Page 2 achievements of Dr. P. J. Abdul Kalam heading level 4.
So it has moved from page number 3 to page number 2. That is in the reverse direction. It is moving to the next previous heading levels. I'm going to press Shift H again.
Dr. P. J. Abdul Kalam heading level 3.
So like this, we have to navigate through the heading levels by using H and Shift H. Okay. So I'm going to the top of the document by pressing Control Home.
Heading level 1 page 1 unit 1 great people of it.
So this is one way of navigating to the heading levels. The next another way is to use the alphanumerical key 1. It is already in the heading level 1. Now I am going to press alphanumerical key 1 to see any other heading levels are there in the heading level 1. I'm pressing the alphanumerical key 1.
Page 3 thanks and acknowledgements for the authors and the people contributed to make this unit a useful one heading level 1.
Here is heading level 1 is there and I'm going to press 1 again, alphanumerical key 1 again.
No next heading at level 1.
So no next heading is there in the level 1 there. So finally there are 2 heading levels in this particular document. I'm going to the top of the document because it is in the bottom of the third page.
Heading level 1 page 1.
So now I'm going to see whether how many heading levels 2 are there in this particular document. So for that I'm going to press alphanumerical key 2.
Life history of the great people, heading level 2.
So this is one heading level 2. Another. Again, I'm going to press alphanumerical key 2.
No next heading at level 2.
So only one heading level 2 is there. I'm going to the top of the document by pressing Control Home.
Heading level 1, Unit 1, Great People of India.
So I'm going to say whether how many heading level 3 are there in this document. For that, I'm going to press alphanumerical key 3.
Mahatma Gandhi, heading level 3.
One heading level.
Page 2, Dr. Not A, Not P, Not J, Not Abdul Kalam, heading level 3.
This is heading level 3.
Page 3, Sachin Tendulkar, heading level 3.
So this is also heading level 3.
No next heading at level 3.
So no next level. At level 3. So I'm going to the top of the document.
Heading level 1, page 1, Unit 1, Great People of India.
So I'm going to press the alphanumerical key 4 one by one for saying how many heading level 4 are there. I'm pressing 4.
Achievements of Mahatma Gandhi, heading level 4.
4 again.
Page 2, Failures in Mahatma Gandhi's life, heading level 4.
4 again.
Achievements of Dr. Not A, Not P, Not J, Not Abdul Kalam, heading level 4.
I'm pressing 4 again.
Page 3, Failures of Sachin Tendulkar, heading level 4.
I'm pressing 4 again.
No next heading at level 4.
So no next heading level 4. So I'm going to the top of the document.
Heading level 1, page 1, Unit 1, Great People of India.
So I'm going to press alphanumerical key 5 to see whether heading level, how many heading level 5 are there in this document.
Salt Satyagraha, heading level 5. No next heading at level 5.
Only one heading level 5 is there. I'm going to the top of the document.
Heading level 1, Unit 1, Great People of India.
So I'm going to give alphanumerical key 6 to find whether heading level 6 is there or not. How many heading level 6 are there in this document?
Page 2, Success of Salt Satyagraha, heading level 6.
So page 2, one heading level 6 is there. I'm going to press 6 again, alphanumerical key 6 again.
No next heading at level 6.
So only one heading level 6 is there. I'm moving to the top of the document.
Heading level 1, page 1, Unit.
So these are all the two ways to navigate through the heading levels using the H and the Shift H key command. That is one way. Another way is using the alphanumerical key from 1 to 6. So only we want to use 1 to 6. What will happen if you press 7? So let us see. So I'm going to press the alphanumerical key 7. So piano sound is coming. Why? Because 7 is not after 6. No number has been given as to set heading levels. Okay, up to the limitation of setting the heading level is up to the heading level 6. I'm going to press 7 again. I'm going to press 8. I'm going to press 9. I'm going to press 0. Nothing will happen. So the limitation of setting the heading level is up to the level of 6. So headers are mainly used for distinguishing or separating the contents. So for denoting the difference between the contents, the heading levels are mainly used. So this is how a user how to navigate through the heading levels. Okay. So how to test the heading level? So heading level may be tagged according to some 2 to 3 points. So first one is according to the size of the content given, size of the text given, or according to the shape, according to the color, according to the style. So whatever it may be. If these things are not matched, means the final thing is we have to read the document and we have to tag logically. So this is the first point we have to keep in mind while testing. The second one is that we have to see the sequence of the heading levels. It will be from 1, 2, 3 to from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. This is a sequence. So let us check the sequence of the heading level in this particular document. I'm moving to the top.
Heading level 1, Unit 1, Great People of India.
So this is heading level 1, and 2 is there or not. I'm checking whether after 1 heading level 2 will come or not. I'm going to give H.
Life history of the great people, heading level 2.
Yeah, heading level 2 is there. I'm giving H again.
Mahatma Gandhi, heading level 3.
3 is there.
Achievements of Mahatma Gandhi heading level 4.
H again, heading level 4 is coming.
Salt Satyagraha heading level 5.
Yeah, heading level 5 is coming.
Page 2 success of Salt Satyagraha heading level 6.
6, heading level 6 is coming. Yes, 6. Now I'm going to press H again.
Failures in Mahatma Gandhi's life heading level 4.
So 4 is coming again because the achievements and the failures are given in the same font, same size, etc. Now I'm going to the previous heading level 4 by pressing Shift alphanumerical 4.
Page 1 achievements of Mahatma Gandhi heading level 4.
So let me check the font size of this heading level 4 by using Insert F.
Times New Roman bold 16.0 pt bold.
So it is in the size of 16. Now I'm moving to the next heading level 4.
Page 2 failures in Mahatma Gandhi.
So let me check the font size of this heading level by pressing Insert F.
Times New Roman bold 16.0 pt bold.
So this is also in the font 16. Let me go to the next heading level by pressing the alphanumerical key 4.
Achievements of Dr. P. J. Abdul Kalam heading level 4.
So here I'm going to use the key command Insert F to check the font size.
Times New Roman bold 16.0 pt bold.
So this is also in the font size of 16. So in this particular document, the heading levels are differentiated using the font size and the font style. So this is the second point while the tester has to keep in mind. So sequence is the main thing. If you are not able to categorize the heading levels by using, if the font sizes are different, then we have to go for font style, or logically we have to read the document and we have to set the heading levels. So finally, I want to say one thing. I'm going to the second. So the final one, heading level 1 is there. I'm moving there.
Page 3 thanks and acknowledgements for the authors and the people contributed to make this unit a use. James and heading level 1 thank James Anderson dismissed.
So if a user is navigating the heading level using the down arrow, means if the heading level is continued for the second line also, there also it will announce the same heading level. So let me show. First, you will see the full heading level, what it is reading.
Thanks and acknowledgements for the authors and the people contributed to make this unit a useful one, heading level 1.
A useful one, heading level 1. Make it a useful one, heading level 1.
James, heading level 1. James.
So now I am using down arrow to navigate through this heading level.
Heading level 1 thanks and acknowledgements for the authors and the people contributed to make this unit a useful.
A useful one is there, useful one, it will end with useful one. So that one is in the second line. I'm going to give a down arrow again.
Heading level 1.
So for here also, it will announce the same heading level, because if the heading level is continued with the same heading level is continued with some 2-3 lines, and the sentence is going to finish in the third line or fourth line, means for each line, if we give the down arrow, means it will announce the same heading levels. So don't get confused on that. So to avoid that, use the heading level key command H or Shift H to go to the previous heading levels. So that's it for today. I think you might like this video. So do subscribe this video. Please follow the channel. Don't miss the class. Practice it daily by daily. And thank you. Take care. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Downloads row 1, meeting controls row, meeting control.